Hi, welcome to Beyond Knowledge. 2 days back, I did a video on Chyawanprash and Narasimha Rasayanam. Those are two rejuvenators, rasayanas, you can call them, which helps to revitalize the body, get rid of toxins, improve the overall health and stamina of the individual, help with respiratory issues, upper respiratory tract, lower respiratory tract infections or problems associated with that. So it's generally considered as an aphrodisiac as well. It helps the body in several ways, right? So Chyawanprash helps you become youthful, and Narasimha Rasayanam is helpful for having a good dark beard if people are interested in having it, good hair, and overall health, right? So the ancient saints have prescribed this for overall health. Now today we have a lot of knowledge workers, people who think all the time, people who have a lot of stress. So brain is a very important factor. Gone are the days where people do very hard work, on the fields, climbing trees. You still have people like that, but most of the people who work in IT companies, who are a chartered accountant, a software engineer, they have problem with they have mental issues, they have memory related issues, they have speech related problems, they have a problem taking analytical decisions, anxiety, like loss of sleep. All these problems are there. It's all mostly related to the brain. So I'm going to introduce a very important revitalizer, a brain nourisher to you today. It's called Brahma Rasayan, right? So this is manufactured by Vaidya Ratnam. It's a Kerala brand. You can check. It costs around 110 rupees for 250 grams. Very handy. I normally like small jars because you can finish it. The big ones, if you stop taking it, if you are taking it for a short period of time, then mostly you stop taking it and then you have to throw it one day. So this is called Brahma Rasayanam. So the story goes like this. Brahma actually came with the formulation for this particular rasayana. It's a jam, right? It's made out of sugar, jaggery, honey. So it's very sweet in taste. So people with the diabetes, please exercise caution when you take this. So why do we take Brahma Rasayan, right? Brahma Rasayanam is useful for all brain related issues. What are the brain related issues? Memory issue, anxiety, stress, um, people who like to have a very sharp brain, people who study a lot, students, people who have Alzheimer's disease, people who have any kind of a neurodegenerative disease, Alzheimer's, or like loss of neurons, damage to neurons, nerve related damage in the brain, right? Parkinsonism, where you have tremors. So again I'm saying this, you like having the disease and then taking the medicine is of no use, right? You've already gone to that stage where your brain is completely affected. Now Ayurveda says that once you cross the age of 40, right, or probably earlier it was 60, till 60 people used to be extremely healthy, they never had any health issues. But whatever people face at the age of 60, now people at the age of 25, 30 are getting it. So Ayurveda says that you need to start taking these medications at the required level, if required, if symptoms persist, and if your doctor suggests. I'm not a doctor. I'm just a person who is curious to learn about supplements, medicine, and somebody who will also try these medications on my own body in a smaller quantity and tell you what results I get. So Brahma Rasayanam is one such nutritive, herbal jam, you can call it. You can take it. Some people say that it's almost like Chyawanprash, right? It's a rejuvenator. It gives you increased energy. It's good for premature graying of hair. It helps you keep, your youth for a very long period of time. it's a free radical scavenger, it's an antioxidant. So there are lots of benefits, right? So but mainly I think Brahma Rasayanam is taken for improving your mental health, right? So once you improve your mental health, I think very important. People think that they are all very intelligent and they can manage stress, they have studied a lot, and then there are so many ways to beat stress, but that's not the case actually. Like everybody is having some or the other kind of mental issues these days, right? You can see it by the rate of the number of people who come to a psychiatrist, people who actually go through very depressive phases in life, like losing their children or meeting with an accident, financial issues, separation, divorce, right? So many things are there. Life has become very complex, and we all think that the brain is one organ which we can probably ignore, right? Because normally you don't have a pain, right? When your legs are affected, when your hands are affected, you always have a pain, right? But with brain you don't have any kind of a pain, but it's the most important organ through which you make most important decisions in your life. Almost everything, even when you sleep, your brain is working. Memory, it allocates the memory files in under you can call it as different folders if you want to be a little bit dramatic in the way how the brain works. But brain is a very important organ, and I hope you people understand the seriousness of it. And if you have tremors, if you have difficulty in performing any simple tasks, it means that you may have some kind of a neurodegenerative disease like Parkinson or Alzheimer's disease. And don't think that you are in your 30s, 40s or 50s and then this is something which you get when you are 70, 80. No, that's not the case. If you think that you are going to be extremely healthy till 70 or 80 and you need not even go to an Ayurvedic practitioner or a doctor, then you are completely wrong. You never know, right? One, you need to do your regular check your vitals every 6 months. With that you would be able to know whether you have an enlarged liver, a fatty liver, or you have any kidney related stuff, whether you have diabetes, whether you have blood pressure or lifestyle related issues you can find out. But brain related issues, it's very difficult to find out, right? So this is something which you will understand only through self-awareness, right? 5 years back I was able to do this task, now I'm having a difficulty doing this task. Often people think that if you sleep well or if you eat well, things will go away. But then the brain is a very complex organ, and they say that if you arrange the nerves in the brain, right, if you arrange it, it can go till moon. I had one of the doctors explaining that to me, which was really scary. So if you look at the number of nerves inside the brain, and if you arrange it, let's say after one after the other, it can touch the moon. So that is brain is a very complicated nervous system. That's why people who have brain related issues, I want to probably tell one incident that happened to one of my friend who fell from a two-wheeler. It looked like a very minor accident. He had some injury behind his neck, but then till today he cannot remember his friend's name. He cannot recollect any recent incident. So when you meet him, he is going to be completely blank, and then after you start talking to him for some time, he'll ask what is your name and all those stuff, and then suddenly after like 5-10 minutes, then he recollects your name. He is able to retrieve things from his memory, but a small injury that happened to his brain. So similarly, people have damaged their brain by drinking alcohol, excessive consumption of alcohol, lack of B complex in the body, nerve damage, excessive amount of stress that you take, sadness or grief after losing a loved one from your family. So everybody cannot say that my brain is in top working condition all the time, right? So Brahma Rasayan is for people who want to improve their brain capacity, is a brain nourisher. If you look at Europe and US, a lot of people actually go towards nootropics these days. In India, I still haven't seen people, but a lot of people have attention ADHD, right? They are not able to focus on something for more than 10 minutes. More than 20 minutes, they are not able to, sit in a meeting. or absorb what is being said in that meeting. So all these are related to the brain. Your concentration power, ability to understand and digest a subject, right, complex calculations, everything is done by the brain. So you can't ignore it. It's going to affect all aspects of your life at one point of time. So Brahma Rasayanam is a very, very potent, nutritive herbal jam that everybody can try in small quantities. Please consult your Ayurvedic physician and tell them the symptoms what you face, and they will be able to suggest medications for you. But otherwise, I think this has been used for thousands and thousands of years for improving the brain health of an individual. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments below. I would be happy to clarify that. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.